Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Paynes Prairie Preserve State Park, located near Gainesville, Florida. This park covers about 23,000 acres and offers a unique look at Florida's natural beauty. One of the park's highlights is an observation platform, where you can enjoy wide views of the prairie and its diverse wildlife. For those who love outdoor activities, the park has over 30 miles of trails for hiking, biking, and horseback riding. The Gainesville-Hawthorne State Trail is a 16-mile paved path that's perfect for a scenic bike ride or walk. If you enjoy fishing or canoeing, Lake Wahlberg is a great spot within the park. It's a peaceful place to relax and connect with nature. Whether you're here for the views, the wildlife, or the trails, Paynes Prairie Preserve State Park has something special for everyone.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!